This is my first time to eat here at Pho Saigon. It's newly opened, located in Westgate, very near our gym. Edith and Andy invited us here for lunch. Maganda at makulay ang kanilang interiors. We were seated at the second floor. Nagustuhan ko tong pork banh mi nila. I also like this Vietnamese pizza kasi mahilig ako sa pork floss. Masarap din ang fresh spring roll pero maliit ang serving. Itong beef pho hindi ako nasarapan kasi malamig na nung isinerve sa amin. Pareho rin ang chicken pho, malamig na rin nung isinerve. Itong hoisin pork skewer sobrang palpak, sunog na sunog kaya ang tigas-tigas na niya. Itong chicken skewers masarap sana pero very dry. Yung service hindi pa okay, maybe because they're fairly new. Nangangapa pa ba ang mga staff? All in all, masaya naman kami sa pagpunta rito. Kasi syempre depende pa rin sa mga makakasama. Thank you Edith and Andy for treating us here.